Hello and welcome to another video of Wisefuss. Today we are diving into the captivating world of Midjourney 5.2, where inspiration knows no bounds. In this video, we'll explore an array of mesmerizing patterns, each with the power to spark your imagination and elevate your creative projects. As an AI enthusiast, I'm always eager to experiment with various AI technologies, especially image generation and visual exploration. Today, we are delving deep into Midjourney's version 5.2. Today, we'll embark on a creative journey with something timeless patterns. Specifically, we are diving into an older feature called dash dash tile, which can transform your images into seamless, mesmerizing patterns. My quest was to experiment with these patterns and see how they could reshape various subjects. I selected the words butterfly, car, and mountain to combine with these patterns. My goal was to see that these patterns applied to objects and environments, but the results were sometimes unexpected. It led me to explore the unique styles and possibilities that emerged. Now, let's dive into the incredible world of patterns. First, we have bamboo weave patterns, capturing the text of woven bamboo. While the tile excels, the butterfly car and mountain take on fascinating twist. Next up, acid wash patterns, which imitate the worn and crunchy appearance of acid washed fabric. They bring up a unique edgy twist to the reference images. And now, let's not forget abstract floral patterns. Inspired by the elegance of flowers and vegetation, these patterns not only enhance the tiles but infuse new life into butterfly car and mountain. Now, barbed wire patterns offer an angular pointed look reminiscent of barbed wire fences. As we journey on, we encounter batik hand-dyed fabric patterns. With intricate wax-resist dyeing, they introduce lovely colors to the tile and an alluring sense of texture to other subjects. Our creative voyage continues with block print patterns, celebrating the art of block printing with strong contrast and distinct lines. Now we explore brick wall patterns, emulating the classic arrangements of bricks in walls. The result on the tile are expected, but the reference images bring surprises. Let's delve into brocade patterns, known for their rich textures and intricate designs. Their elegance shines through, especially in butterfly. Our creative exploration takes us to Celtic knot patterns, intricate designs inspired by interlocking Celtic knots. They add a touch of tradition and mystique. As we venture further, we encounter chain link patterns, evoking the interlocking links of chains and chain link fences. It's an acquired taste that offers a unique perspective. Prepare for checkered patterns featuring alternating squares of color, forming a classic checkerboard look. And here come chevron patterns with their distinctive V-shaped motifs. They introduce fascinating twist. While we have unveiled some extraordinary patterns, there are still many more to explore. If you have been inspired by this journey, consider subscribing and staying tuned for further future creative exploration.